guys, so I originally wanted to film a live video on YouTube, but my YouTube like flips it upside down unless my phone's turned the other way. But my tripod's like kind of broken, the centerpiece is falling out so it won't hold in one spot. So it like cuts off part of what I'm trying to film if I flip it around the other way that YouTube wants me to. So I can't do the live apparently, at least not for this. But I still wanted to show you guys my new releases that are coming out tomorrow and also share with you guys some information for the sale this weekend. So really quickly for the sale, here are the new releases actually. But for the sale, it starts tomorrow, Friday, the 25th at 9 a.m. Pacific time. And the first 5 orders will get triple rewards points. This is all on the website, which I will have linked down below like I always do. And so the first 5 orders will get triple rewards points. I am offering 40% off all weekend until Monday, I believe, is when the sale goes till. And all day on Friday, orders of $50 or more before shipping and after coupons will get a free deluxe kit of your choice. So just leave me a note which kit you want. And then on Saturday, Saturday is our Mega Oops sale. So I have a giant stack about this tall of Oops sheets. So there's nothing wrong with them except for the fact that they're not cut. It's just stuff that the files have changed, or I don't have that format anymore and it was just overstock that I can't cut anymore. So literally the only problem with them is that they're uncut. So there's no printing issue, they're not bent or anything like that. So you can just cut them out yourself with scissors. Those are gonna be $5 for 20 sheets. And then if you purchase 4 bags, you'll get 1 free. If you purchase 8, you'll get 2 free, and so on. But they will appear on the website slightly more expensive. That way you can use the 40% off coupon with them and with the rest of your order. And then on Sunday, we'll have double rewards points all day long. So then for the new releases, I have 4 kits and 1 monthly kit. The first kit is, I named this one Roy G. Biv, just because it's rainbow. So red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and then I added in pink too. So here are the full boxes, and also starting Friday for the sale, all kits will be printed in a weatherproof mat. So the quality is insane. The quality difference, let me see if I can show you guys. So here are 2 of the St. Patrick's Day kits printed. This is the current paper, and this is the new one that will start going out on Monday. So the difference on camera really isn't that big, but in person it is crazy different. This is so much clearer, the colors are brighter and bolder than compared to this, and it feels so nice and smooth. So you can kind of tell with like the leaves, these look really dull. So we will be starting all kits on Friday. The functional stuff will still be in the same paper, but kits will be in the new paper. And also, if you guys didn't know, since the opening of the website, all of the kits are on a new format. So you have your full boxes, and then here's the washi strips, weekend banner, and date covers. I went back to the singular date covers instead of the strips. Then here are the half boxes, quarter boxes, and checklists, and some functional stuff. So this kit was so much fun to design with, because normally when I'm designing, I can just go all one row, but this took some time because I had to do each individual ones, so that way I can make sure you have just about one of each color. So then here we have the headers and little things, the full ombre heart checklist, and then your add-on sheet, so page flags, clouds, and sidebar stuff. Then we have our, it's kind of hard to say, but on the website it's sucCUTElent, so like cute, succulent. Yeah, so these are just succulents. I love these little like neon ones. I loved with all these new releases that they were all pretty fun and bright, getting ready for spring. So again, it's just the same format. I love the bright colors with like the neutrals too. So there is the sucCUTElent kit. So those two I had not sneaked at all. Actually, there's 3 I did not sneak at all. But this one I did sneak last night. So I don't remember off the top of my head what I named this one. I can look really quick actually, I think. Oh, no, I can't. So it's just a mermaid ocean themed kit. I did test print this one the first time on the new paper and it is amazing. The blues are so bright and pretty. So here we have the full boxes and the washi. This washi is actually, I put in the wrong one. You can kind of see the little line that's printed here, but I have the right one printed here. This one's supposed to go with this kit. So, and I am giving all of these away that I'm showing, so there will be 5 winners for the giveaway, and I will have the details after I'm done showing all of the kits. So if you are the winner of this kit, then I'll make sure you get the right sheet for that. So there's that kit. And then we have our Minimalist kit. So this kit was super fun to pick photos out for. So it's just like minimalist and productivity theme. So you got like a laptop and some coffee and a cute little outfit and a planner. And I love the light blue with this peach color with this kit. And also these flowers were so much fun to play with. These images were a little bit darker than the ones on here, so I had to play with the contrast and the brightness, and it made the flowers look so much prettier. So again, just the same format. And then the 5th kit is our monthly kit. Was actually supposed to be released last week, but I've been designing on my new MacBook that I got like 2 months back for school, because this laptop right here is super old and slow and doesn't like to function, and I actually didn't have any files for a monthly kit on that one. So at the time when I was doing new releases, I couldn't design this. So it just matches our St. Patrick's Week kit, which I just showed you guys a minute ago. So here you have like the washi. These are little individual squares. I won't bend it too much since one of you is going to get this. Washi strips, page flags, the other half of this, some full boxes, the rest of the date dot page flags. You have your holidays, bill dues, paydays, and then just some more functional stuff for the sidebar and all of that. So again, there are 5 kits, and also I don't know if I mentioned, but this is my week from my planning addictions. So there are 5 kits, and I'm going to pick 5 winners for this video. So all you have to do is comment down below which kit you would like. I know I didn't say the name of the mermaid one, but you can just say mermaid one or whatever. Comment the name of the kit you would like, your email or Instagram or some way for me to contact you, and then also comment either a video idea or a theme idea for a kit, one or the other. If you enter both, it'll give you an extra entry. So a video idea or a kit theme idea, and then I will randomly pick someone in 1 week, or maybe I'll pick someone like this weekend. So I'll have like all the details down below too of like when it'll end and when I'll pick someone and stuff. So yeah, there's that. I'm sorry I couldn't do the live video for you guys. I just need a new tripod, or YouTube needs to get their stuff together so that way I could use it the way I normally film. So yeah, again, the sale starts tomorrow at 9 a.m. Pacific time. I'm offering 40% off. The first 5 orders will get triple rewards points, and all orders of $50 or more will get a free kit of your choice, and then the Oops sale on Saturday and double rewards on Sunday. So yeah, bye.